That is insane. That's just, I don't know, it just looks, it doesn't look wrong, but it just doesn't look right. I don't know, it just looks insane. Oh, look at the grill at the front. That is just gorgeous. Look at that.
Still needs to be sprayed, mate. Sprayed black, match the colour.
I might spray it black and join the stripes.
Have you ever run it? This is the first time?
No, I've never run it.
Never run
I don't
it?
even know if it's going to go.
It may not.
Right. Well, we're soon going to find out.
That's it.
It's a beast.
See, we're not allowed to run 2 strokes here, so
Yeah, no 2-stroke.
changing into 4-stroke.
Yeah,
A bit slower, but at least we can use.
Is that your wine? Thirsty?
Yeah, it's.
Is that your goon?
That's my hoon goon.
That's not fuel.
No, that's water. We put water in it.
wine.
Oh, it's bubbles.
Wine.
That's wine. When you
In
get
case it sinks, it'll float.
when you get thirsty
Float bags.
out on the table, you know.
Yeah, I keep throwing away all
Is that the Tutti Frutti? That's the super elixir.
Super elixir.
Super elixir. Goon sack.
You've got
for
half a
points.
It's good.
Half a tank enough?
I don't know how much does it use.
Oh, that's heaps of fuel.
It'll be enough for half an hour.
Oh, more than that.
It's super kill sweet. Like when that.
Yeah, that
We make it when you turn it.
Yeah.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
It goes like that and turns it off.
Isn't it? Oh, start first time every time. Oh, that's beautiful. First time on the water. Good luck.
Yeah.
Run in the right way.
Stop heavy. Yeah, pick up the rudder, pick up the cross. Your nose is drowning.
Your engine, your prop is pushing it out. He's 1.45 meters long. You've seen it?
That carburettor's moving, hey? It's gone rich again. I think the O-ring.
Carburetor.
Yeah.
That's what the rudder's for. Oh no, it's still going down a bit again. Very lenient.
Lane every day.
Put a bit of weight on one side.